Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, alloy wheels, wheel locks, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.